Okay, so here we are with the Digital Design 608F. We're gonna do some frequency sweeps. We'll see how responsive it is for the 1,000-watt driver. Having 1,000 watts with a traditional cutout, 2.5-inch full coil. Just how can we pick up some of the undertones of the music? We're also gonna watch the suspension to see how it travels. I'm gonna let y'all see the front shot too, but this is the QMS, the surround, and the spiders. Remember, we have 4 spiders acting in unison to keep this voice coil linear. It's being powered by a Digital Designs M2500 at 2 ohm. This is a D4 sub. So, that being said, let's do a frequency sweep. And as you can, from 10 hertz to 20 hertz. Let's see how she responds. Let's go. Yeah, it's already got movement. Y'all can see that. 14, 16, 18, 20, a lot of movement. So it's, and quiet, very sensitive too. To really hone in on that, I'm gonna select it and tell it just to go from 10 hertz to 15 hertz over and over again. So you can see the response and the undertones to the music is there. It is definitely there with this 8. Now, let's step it up and go from 20 hertz to 30 hertz. Not a lot of signal is really going to be within this, well, from 25 hertz to 20. In most music, you're not going to get a lot of that signal tone. It's there as an octave in there in some music, but it's between 25 and under. It's not. But I still want to see a response from 20 to 30 hertz. So let's see what we get there. And still very quiet. Yes. Now this is off a Digital Designs M2500 at 2 ohms. Okay. Let's stop there. Let's see the response from 30 hertz to 40 hertz. Okay. Which we know they're gonna get that. Now let's just see it anyway. 30 to 40. And still very quiet. Now there's a lot of music between 30 and 40. It's a lot of music. Definitely a lot of music between 30 and up. But let's move it back. Let's go from 20 hertz to 45, which is what I'm really interested in, sub bass. No higher than 50 for me. And let's see the response. Now I'm going to try and let you see the code movement. But as you can see, this is a very, very quiet driver. I'm really liking how quiet it is as it moves through its stroke. This is from 20 to 45. Let's begin. Powered by a Digital Designs M2500 at 2 ohms. Having no problem. This is like 1,500 watts. No rise, there's no resistance. So it's taking the power and it's very, very quiet in doing so. Very, very quiet. Really wanted y'all to see the performance. That's why I put on the outside and the backside. Very handsome driver. Let's with the cooling. Oh yeah, it's still very cool. These are $300. $300. $299 on this on DD website. You can get at me as a dealer as well. You can buy numbers, get a box for this. Drive all this. know y'all are just as impressed I am, particularly how quiet it is throughout the stroke. A testament to those 4 spiders. A dual layer space spider. 2 dual layer space spiders is able to have such remarkable excursion and very, very quiet. You can see the cooling. You can't see it working, but you can see that hole on the former. That's one of them. Remember, there's 12 in total on that former to keep it very, very cool as it responds to the signal. Well, at this point, you know 2 going in the truck. So let me get that box ready and let me see just how much more performance we can get out of. What is the quantification of that performance on the Digital Designs 608 F all y'all. Stop laughing, babe. Peace.